Kenworth T 2000 Motorhome stands. Tall as a perfect blend of trucking power and luxury living. At Honest Auto Wheels, we explore how this mighty machine turns every mile into a home-like experience. As soon as you lay eyes on the T2000 Motorhome, you're greeted by its bold front, aerodynamic lines, and a wide stance that screams road presence. This isn't just a truck with a bed, it's a luxury apartment on wheels, built into the rugged frame of a long-haul Titan. Under the hood, it typically houses a powerful Cummins engine paired with a smooth Eaton Fuller transmission, delivering a performance that eats up the highway with ease. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat terrain, the T2000 handles it with confidence and control. Step inside, and you're instantly struck by the spaciousness of the cabin. The living area is designed to provide comfort, even during the longest hauls. Plush leather seating, elegant cabinetry, a full-size bed, and an integrated entertainment system make it a dream for full-time travelers or weekend adventurers. The kitchen comes equipped with a compact yet efficient layout, including a stove, microwave, fridge, and even a small sink. There's enough storage to bring all your essentials without compromising on space. Kenworth didn't cut corners when designing the interior. Every detail reflects durability and class, from the hardwood finishes to the LED lighting and climate control system. There's also a smart use of skylights and windows that brighten up the entire space, making it feel even more open and inviting. Driving the T2000 Motorhome is a smooth experience thanks to its high-end suspension and cabin isolation features that cut down noise and vibrations. The dashboard is driver-friendly, with all controls within easy reach and a clean digital layout that keeps you informed. Safety has also been prioritized, with advanced braking systems, stability control, and optional add-ons like lane assist and rear-view monitoring. It's clear this motorhome is not just about comfort, it's also built with road safety in mind. Fuel economy is impressive for its size, making it a more cost-efficient option than many other heavy-duty RVs. Maintenance is also relatively easy thanks to the smart modular build and wide availability of Kenworth service centers. Owners of the Kenworth T 2000 Motorhome often praise it for its reliability, build quality, and the freedom it offers. Many longtime RV users say that the T2000 is one of the best crossovers between commercial-grade durability and private luxury. It's more than just a vehicle. Whether you're a trucker transitioning to full-time RV life or just someone seeking a robust and elegant motorhome, the Kenworth T2000 deserves serious consideration. At Honest Auto Wheels, we give this beast a big thumbs up for performance, comfort, and sheer road dominance. If you're ready for long adventures with unmatched strength and cozy living, the T2000 is waiting to roll.